Alrighty, today is March 19th, 2022. I am on my way to a gig, and I'll be with the band BLACKSTONE today. They are a classic rock, blues rock, southern rock kind of cover band. Super talented guys. And today we are going to be in the Bronx at a place called the Wicked Wolf. We've never been there before. I've never been there before. So we're going to get there a little bit early and see what the situation is about setting up. And that's basically it for right now. So catch you when we're there.
See what we were working with here, not a very large area. This was definitely the tightest setup we've ever done, but we made it work. So that's all I really have for now. I will try to get more pictures and more videos on the next one, and maybe try to cover how I mic stuff, like the guitars and bass and the drums on a small gig like that. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.